Go ahead.
We are up on top of the roof. This is another project that BTC Ministry will start in to help this Pastor Ford, over in Roebuck. As you can see, we're getting ready to correct this project. A lot of people are afraid to really tackle this project, but we're not afraid. BTC can handle it. We are going to stop the rain. We're going to stop the rain. Is getting ready to stop the rain in this roof. We're getting ready to fix this project.
Okay.
We are not afraid to tackle this project. This is Pastor Ford Church. You know that we're getting ready. Go back. We're getting ready to go back to the first thing. We're getting ready to go up here. As you can see, this is a real steep roof. The BTC Ministry can handle this. We're going to fix this roof where it will never rain in here again on this side. And we're getting ready to correct this job. And I want to thank God for all the young men that we're training at BTC Ministry, training them for the kingdom. Jeremy Fisher, would you like to say something?
Amen.